subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as a little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get inspired by one of my absolutely true spirit animal colors, red. I used to be a redhead for over 5 years and I loved being a redhead, and I do definitely miss it. So this wig right here is really going to emulate the red bobbed girl that I used to be forever. So this wig is from Lucy Hair Wig. I have done quite a few wig reviews for them. I really like this company and really excited to give this one a try. Cherry red bobbed wig, and she definitely is a little blunt cut, but not too blunty. As you can see, she has a little bit of layer to this angled cut. Let's just take a look at the construction of this wig. So she does have light lace right here, and she does have your typical 2.5-inch parting right here, which is pretty classic for an Amazon wig. She also has 2 combs right here in the side. She has 1 comb right here in the back in the middle, and she has a medium cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. But this wig also comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. I'll be using a wig cap that I have in nude, which I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for this. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I call it deal of the century. And I put my wigs on front to back. Wow, look at her and her cherry redness. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's take a little look at this hairline like I mentioned we would talk about really quickly. So of course, for your best wig life ever, definitely, I mean, she doesn't look bad, but if you do want to trim her up, she would definitely look best, but like I said, isn't bad with the plucking of the hairline. So let's just cut this lace off really quickly. Wow, I absolutely just love this color and this cut. It is so incredibly striking, and this wig is heat safe up to 160 degrees Celsius, or I believe that's 340 degrees Fahrenheit. But what I do like about it is that she isn't like stick straight. She has a little bit of volume to her versus some of the blunt cut wigs. It is a center parting, as you can see. But let's just take a look if we shift her around to see what kind of look she gives if you would like to have her be on a certain parting. So let's just shift her this way, which is my left eyebrow, which is the usual eyebrow that I part everything on. This could be really cute, of course, if you trim this up to match it up a little bit, if you like a little bit above the shoulder cut bob with a little bit of that angle. That's super cute. All right, let's try it on this side. Oh yeah, I mean, this is just so incredibly adorable if you want to just shift that parting. So here's on the right hand side, definitely gives the same kind of look. If you'd like to experiment her on the right hand side, let's put her down the middle again. Just in love with this color, definitely bringing me back to when I was a redhead, and absolutely love it. I feel like everyone should experiment with being a redhead, and now I can be her whenever I want. So again, this wig is from Lucy Hair Wig. Definitely check that out. The link is down below for you to get her from Amazon. So let me know if you have this wig, or if you have another amazing red wig. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be in your wig. So let's all empower each other every single day of our lives to be as amazing as we can possibly be, because life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this stunning cherry red wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank